Hello! In this lesson, we're going to look at the differences between present perfect continuous and present continuous. So let's start. So have a look at these sentences and notice the difference. The first sentence, Amy is cooking right now. So if you look at the timeline, we've got now, and that's what Amy is doing at this moment. She's cooking. Amy has been cooking since 9 a.m. Now let's have a look at the timeline here. So notice 9 a.m., that's when she started cooking, and she has been cooking all this time until the present moment. We are running. Okay, so again, we've got the time now, and that's the action, are running at this moment. We've been running for an hour. So here we notice an hour ago, so that's when we started running. So we've been running all this time until this moment, and we're still running now. Ted isn't sleeping well tonight. So again, now it's this moment, he isn't sleeping well. Ted hasn't been sleeping well all week. So here, notice the repeated action. He hasn't been sleeping well on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today is Friday, Friday night, he's still not sleeping well. Okay, and the last set of examples, I'm working hard today. So again, I'm working, that's happening right now. I'm exhausted. I've been working hard all day. So from the beginning of the day when I started work until now, and now I'm also working, so I've been working hard all day. Okay, now notice that both forms, present perfect continuous and present continuous.
Un urs polar pe motocicletă ți-a întrerupt lecția? Atunci activează-ți un abonament la Superșcoala și vei avea acces complet la mii de lecții video, fișe de lucru, teste și jocuri interactive. Apasă butonul de mai jos și ne vedem în platforma Superșcoala.